The 2024 Cooper S Clubman rides on 17-inch wheels equipped with run-flat tires, and is equipped with automatic projector LED headlights, rain-sensing windshield wipers and power-adjustable heated mirrors. The cabin is filled with luxuries like heated front seats, dual-zone automatic air conditioning and push-button ignition. You also get keyless entry. The Mini offers several driver assistance features as standard, such as forward collision warning and rear parking sensors. The Mini Cooper S Clubman is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 189 horsepower. Mini pairs this powerplant with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and optional all-wheel drive. In testing a Cooper S Clubman with the previous generation 8-speed automatic transmission sprinted to 60 miles per hour in 6.6 seconds. With all-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual, the car takes 7.3 seconds to reach 60. The Cooper S Clubman gets high marks for its athletic handling.